So here are a list of healthy habits that you should have if you want to prepare your forex trading journey to the next level. The first should be journaling your trades. Journaling your trades simply means taking the documentation of every trade you take in the forex market. The documentation should include the reason you're entering the trade, the time you're entering the trade. You can have screenshots of before the trade and after the trade, whether the trade satisfies your entry rules, whether the trade satisfies your strategy that you have picked, whether it supports the trend, things like that. So everything about that trade should be in your journal, and you should be able to determine whether you should take that trade or not once you have gone through your journal and once you have entered the inputs in your journal and see that this trade doesn't really satisfy your entry rules and your entry terms. Then you know not to take that trade, or in the case whereby the trade satisfies your entry rules and your entry term, then you know to take that trade. The second is having a higher time frame bias. No matter what your strategy is all about, or no matter your entry rules in the market, ensure that you always have a higher time frame bias, because that's going to allow you to know, okay, the types of trades you take in your own time frame. Let's say you're trading on the 1 hour time frame, you should have a higher time frame bias on the 4 hour time frame or on the daily time frame. Or if you're trading on like the 50 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame, always have your bias on like the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame. The bias simply means you've a right direction in the market, because you don't want to be buying for a downtrend, you want to be selling for an uptrend. So ensure that whatever bias you are having on the higher time frame, you follow up that bias in the lower time frame to take all of your trades. The third is having a fixed set of rules on every trade that you take. So regardless of the outcome of the trade, just make sure that you're following the rules that you have set in the market and don't go against it, because before setting those rules, ensure that you have backtested it on multiple pairs or across multiple pairs, and make sure that implementing those set of rules made you profitable. So once you have implemented those set of rules and it has become profitable for you during back testing, now bring it over to your forward testing, that's your live trading now, and implement those rules regardless of the outcome of the market. Just make sure that yes, you follow those rules down to the T. Now, the fourth and the last habit is making sure that you have a stop loss target and a take profit target on every trade that you take, and you don't leave the market unless either the stop loss is hit or the take profit is hit. Doing so will allow you to be very, very disciplined whenever you're in a trade. When you enter a trade, you set your stop loss, set your TP target, and wait for either of them to be hit.